But in examining your record, I want to come back to this for just a minute, because it does seem like, as Attorney General, you spend an inordinate amount of time and effort suing pro-life organizations like Little Sisters of the Poor, or trying to ease restrictions or expand abortion. And you're going to have a big job as Secretary of Health and Human Services if confirmed. So how do you assure us that, because I think the majority of American people would not want their Secretary of Health and Human Services focused or fixated on expanding abortion when we've got all these public health issues to deal with. So how do you assure us that that's not going to be something that continues over from your time as Attorney General?
Senator, thank you very much for giving me a chance to answer the question. And here, I think I try to say to Senator Grassley, I understand that Americans have different, deeply held beliefs on this particular issue, and I absolutely respect that. By the way, I have never sued the nuns, any nuns. I have taken on the federal government, but I've never sued any affiliation of nuns. And my actions have always been directed at the federal agencies, because they have been trying to do things that are contrary to the law. In California, it's my job to defend the rights of my state and uphold the law. But what I will say to you is this. As I try to uphold the law, I recognize that people will look at these things a little bit differently. And here's where I think there's an opportunity, and now as Secretary of HHS, if I'm fortunate to be confirmed, working with all of you to try to see if we can find that common cause on how we move forward on this very, very difficult issue, but very important for so many Americans.